Hello friends, welcome back. So as I told you last week in my video, I've started this series on plant-based diet. I showed you how to juice, and this week I'm going to show you how to cook with literally minimum oil. I know food with a lot of oil tastes amazing. This will not taste that great, let me be absolutely truthful, but it is extremely good for your health. You will see weight loss. You will see that you're feeling very energetic and a happier person. Oil, I did a lot of research on this. Oil is really bad for you. It clogs your arteries, it has cancer causing agents, and it increases your cholesterol. So today I'm going to show you how to cook okra or bhindi with minimal oil, and it will be tasty, trust me. So today to cook this okra, I've already cut the okra into small pieces, diced some tomatoes. This is very important because I'm not using oil. Tomatoes is a very important ingredient to make the food tasty. I have some diced ginger, some green chili, and for the dry spices, I'm going to use chaat masala, baigan bharta masala, red chili to make it nice and spicy, turmeric, and cumin seeds. So my pan is already hot. I'm going to show you how much oil I'm going to use over here. Just 1 drop. That's it, as you can see. And then what I do is this little 1 drop, I'm just going to rotate it so it's all over the place. And then I'm going to put some cumin seeds. That's it. Just stir it a bit. And then I am going to add the ginger, the diced ginger. It smells good. So as you can see, it's not too bad at all. And I'm going to add the green chili now. So I'm literally dry roasting the ginger, the cumin seeds, and the green chili. So I'll roast it a bit more, and then I am going to add the tomatoes. And while I'm stirring this, I'm going to go ahead and put all the dry spices in it. So first I'm going to add the red chili powder. According to taste. The turmeric, 1 spoon. I'm going to add some chaat masala. Teaspoon just to make it flavorful. Some baigan bharta masala. over that. And then let's stir it nicely. I've given it a nice stir. And now I'm going to add the okra or the bhindi to it. Give it a nice mix. Giving it a nice mix to it, and I'm going to add some salt. And stir it again. And I will cover it up and let it cook. And after it's cooked, I'll see you then. So let's check if it's ready or not. So this is how it looks after it has been fully cooked. So I'm going to pour it here. Very hot. So this is how it looks. The okra. So let me taste. Going to have 2 chapatis over here, and this is going to be my dinner. Doesn't it look good? It's going to taste good too, without oil. It is very tasty, very flavorful. I'm really not missing the oil, and you'll see after a while when you stop using that much of oil, you really don't miss it. Love you guys. Stay safe. Ciao.